There's a storm cloud walking in the sunshine and rain. Curtains twitch when he steps outside, mowing his lawn with wounded pride. Got a finger always pointed at you, like the world just broke his favorite rule. He's got opinions carved in stone, shouts from a cracked and crooked throne. Oh, Mr. Charlie Edwards, king of his own complaints, thinks he's 10 feet tall, but he's barely in the paint. Every battle's his, every hill he'll die on. Swears he's always right, but he's always wrong. Mr. Charlie Edwards, can't you see? Your neighborhood don't need your third degree. You're the mayor of misery, self-appointed limitless, crazy little tyrant on a cul-de-sac senses. He calls the cops on a barbecue, says the grass is half an inch too high for you. Got binoculars and folding chair, like ladies the way hired in to care. He'll argue black is white all day, then blame the clouds when skies turn gray. He's got a Napoleon complex, loud and proud, marching round like he commands a crowd. Oh, Mr. Charlie Edwards, ruler of the block, banging on his mailbox like it's 12 o'clock, talking big game from a step stool throne, throwing stones from a glass house home. Mr. Charlie Edwards, history will show you fought with weeds and lost the war. The village needs a fool, I guess it's true, and buddy, that fool is you. Whispers travel fence to fence, he's wound up tighter than common sense. All that barking, no real fight, shadow boxing in the porch like got that short dick syndrome attitude, compensating with a bad mood. Small man syndrome in overdrive, trying so hard just to feel alive. Breakdown. You write a letter, sign it bold, complain the wind is uncontrolled. If ego were gas, he'd fuel the town, but common sense just lets him down. Follow Mr. Charlie Edwards, hear the song, the whole damn street's been playing along. You strut like a rooster with paper wings, crown made out of broken things. Mr. Charlie Edwards, take a rest, the world ain't sitting for your test. You could've been a neighbor, friend, or legend, instead you're just Mr. Charlie Edwards. Mr. Charlie